Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be making memo pads. So all I'm using is Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and some palette paper because Mod Podge is kind of hard to get off. It's just kind of easier to throw away the paper after you use it. I used a pretty big piece of paper, you don't really need a lot, but anyway. So I have the little memo sheets that I'm going to be using for the memo pad, and I just clipped those together, made sure they were really tight together, and I put it in between a book. But honestly, I wouldn't really recommend putting it in between a book because it was a little hard, and later in the video I ended up taking the memo out and just holding it, and I found that it was easier to just pinch where the Mod Podge was being applied, and I thought that it just worked better. So yeah, I saw another YouTuber making memo pads, which is why I thought it would be really fun to make it, especially because I'm going to have a shop update soon, and I thought it would be a nice addition to that as well. If you want to go check out her video, it's Jisu Im, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this process, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. All right. Okay, now we let this dry.
This is why I'm bringing two very big Korean magnets to protect you.
Are you kidding me?
It should be fun. Can't wait. I'm so scared, but I'm so happy.
Wow! Look at this! Don't get cocky. Is it working?
It peeled off another one. I have to glue it again. I'm just like surprised. I'm like very impressed with myself, okay?
Didn't put enough on the side. That is why.
Okay, I think it's finally dry, and I really hope this works. this a little bit, but it worked. So I will be making these for my shop update. Awesome! I'm so happy this worked. Oh my god, they look so nice. So now I know I need to put 2 layers on so it's thick enough. Yay! Each memo will have about 12 sheets. Yeah. Woo.
Only is going to count on its way. She won't stop.
And there you have it. We've got the memo pads. Once they're dry, they are pretty much ready to use whenever you'd like. Yeah, they were really easy to make. The video probably didn't need to be this long, but if you enjoyed watching it, please go give it a like and maybe subscribe to see more content like this. And check out my shop. These will be up there as well. Thank you for watching.
It's so nice of her, like, look at how many, she just, like, put all of these colors. Oh my god, there's more. There's so much more. Wait. Oh my god.
Like, is it okay if I grab his arms and his legs like a pink?
Thank you.
No, Ohana, no. Ohana, no, he's sleeping.
Really that interesting. Oh, I don't
今朝何聞いてた？音楽何聞いてたの？
Watashi?
うん。